Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is May 6th, 2022. And the tagline for today is, I refuse to be bearish at support, and I'm not selling. Nor should you, not financial advice, do what you will. But hear me out, my friends. Hear me out. What happened yesterday? Everybody threw their hands up and capitulated emotionally. Okay, this, you must understand, is exactly, precisely what occurs at bottoms. Everybody is bearish. They're pervasively bearish, okay? They're looking for lower targets, okay? They're looking at their indicators and they're saying, this must be, whatever, insert whatever bearish pattern that you spy, and the next support is all the way down, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. Use your basic technical analysis skills. In this video, I'm basically going to give you a simple case as to why I'm not selling and I'm not considering selling, okay? And it has nothing to do with any complex indications that I'm getting from the charts, any complex Elliott wave reads, nothing like that. It's just simple, okay? And I think the more advanced I become as an analyst, as a chartist, the more I develop as a professional trader, the more I simplify things, right? I'm not going to be bearish at support. The only reason I can ever get bearish at support is if crucial support is broken, and I do see volume sort of confirmed breakdown from support, okay? In which case, I wouldn't necessarily sell that. I would wait for the retest, right? You always sell the retest. I'd wait for price to come back up, retest the level, and break down, okay? So that is when I would be bearish. I know a lot of people are asking, well, when would you sell? What is your invalidation? That is my invalidation, okay? What happened yesterday? Once again, absolutely nothing. What is this blue line? If you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know this blue line is major support. It's support that we've had since January of 2021, my friends, right? January of 2021 was 17 months ago. So this support is 17 months old. This pink line that you will see is support that we've had since January of 2022. This pink line is 5 months old. Where have we broken either support? We are literally at double support. Once again, zoom out. Keep it simple. You buy support and you sell resistance. Buying support can be scary. I understand. But this is one of the reasons why you don't mess with leverage and you don't overestimate your ability to time the reversal, okay? Because they're notoriously challenging. I can tell you that we're likely at support, that probabilistically we're going to get a bounce, a very strong bounce any minute now. But I can't tell you when. I can approximate, I can try, and I can use a bunch of different indicators. I can try and count Elliott waves. I can try and tell you when. But I've been trying to tell you when for a month and a half. But what's changed for a month and a half? Absolutely nothing, my friends. Actually, for more than a month and a half. Well, actually for a month and a half, yeah, because we've been ping-ponging in this channel for 5 months at support. So for 5 months, right here, I could probably say, okay, we're going back up. I could say this again in February. I could say it again in March. I could say it again right now in May. Okay? So once again, zoom out, simplify things. If you think this is a break, by all means, go ahead and short it. Go ahead and divest yourselves of your positions. But, right, when we're all celebrating green candles and you're not exposed, then, maybe you learn the lesson. All right, now let's go into the daily time frame. We started in the weekly time frame just to gain that perspective, okay? It's very important. And again, this is very simple, not complex. I made no mention of any, intricate Elliott wave count. I did that on the live stream, okay? And that's all well and good, and it has its place, but you should also know when to zoom out and keep things simple. On the daily time frame, look at this candle, right? Yesterday was ugly. Everybody can agree to that. Everybody can acknowledge that. Look at what happened yesterday in yesterday's candle. Look at our blue line, right? That's support. That's our 17 months long support. Look at the nature of the candle. I'm just going to let's zoom in. Look at the nature of the candle. This is charting 101. Is that bullish or bearish? Do you see a wick on the bottom? A wick on the bottom denotes what? Buying pressure. It denotes support being held. All right, so that's another key. Maybe the support's holding. Thus far, in today's daily candle, what do you see? Same thing. You see a hammer candle. This is extremely bullish. All right, now here's where we're going to jump into some indicators, right? This is as complex as it's going to get. We're on the daily time frame, and this is something that I've pointed out quite some time ago, right? And it hasn't changed. So my thesis hasn't changed. Okay, am I underwater? Even more. Yes, but not that much more, right? I'm still underwater, but I guarantee you once prices start moving to the upside, I will recover my losses quite quickly. And not only that, I'll sell the first major resistance and clean up my entries. That's the key. If you want to clean up your entries, you don't do it with high risk. You minimize your risk to do that. Anyway, I'm digressing. What I want to show you here, price ever since this day, April 11th, has been going down, 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 down. From April 11th since until now, on the stochastic RSI, the daily stochastic RSI, prices have been going up. That, my friends, is strong bullish divergence, okay? That has not changed. I've been pointing that out. We have not lost that. All we've done is consolidated in the middle, right? Literally in the middle of the indicator, which denotes not strong buying, not strong selling. The middle of the indicator just denotes consolidation. So what do you think is likely to happen next? All right. So this has not changed. And this is basically my main thesis, right? Again, remember, sentimentally, there's going to be a lot of fear. The most perma bulls are going to turn bearish. This is exactly what happens at support. This is exactly what happens in a major reversal. Understand what's happening, and kind of you don't have to get lost in your emotions about it, okay? Just because a lot of people are trying to pressure you into selling, trying to pressure you into capitulate emotionally and throw your hands up and say, Bitcoin's going down, it's over, we're in a bear market, just accept it, man. Well, you do what you will. But I guarantee you those people are not going to make as much as the people that hold with conviction and plan for the reversal, given what you're seeing on the charts. And last but not least, I want to show you open interest because that's a big part of our market, okay? Remember April 11th. Remember what I showed you on bullish divergence. Let's look once again. Let's check in with our rich friends, the institutions and the 7, 8 figure, 9 figure players. What are they doing? What are they betting on? Okay, there was a big spike yesterday, right, in shorts. And that big spike wasn't necessarily, it could have been some people opening shorts, but institutions don't make day trades, okay? Institutions are long ball players. Big money is long ball, right? Because they buy in bits and pieces, right? Because there's too much money to just dump all at once. So shorts skyrocketed yesterday, but they only skyrocketed because people were forced to sell. And this is Phemex, right? people were forced to sell because some people got stopped out, some people got liquidated, but not that many. And I challenge you, go check Bitcoin liquidations on coinglass.com. Look at the number of liquidations that happened yesterday. It was maybe 350 million. How many of those were the rich and the institutions on Bitfinex? The smallest number, because they're the smartest. Very few of those traders got liquidated yesterday because they know what they're doing. They're not selling, and they were protecting against that possible downtrend. Okay, anyway, so you see that there's a spike, but ever since April 11th, you don't have much of anything. It's just up and down, kind of unstable, unsure kind of shorting action. There's nothing like this, right? Where, there's like a clear and definite move and they're shorting. No, it's indecision. However, in the longs, what do you see? Since April 11th, remember, here, in all of the downtrends, like, people throwing up their hands, 5-6% days down to the downside, look at what the rich and the institutions are doing. This should tell you something. Once again, they're buying the bottom. They're buying your fear. They're buying your ignorance. They're buying support. All right? So these are all of the reasons that have not changed. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know I've been showing this exact metric using this exact date, this pivot of April 11th, since April 12th, maybe, on this channel. Nothing's changed. Zoom out, make big decisions. I don't give a damn about the 5% drawdown or 7% drawdown, because once it starts moving, I'm going to stand to make 20-30% in a day. Mark my words, right? That's pretty much it from me. Make your own decisions, do your own research. Good luck, my friends. Hope this was helpful. Hope this was useful. Definitely like the video if you got value. Share the video with others who you think are selling the bottom or selling support. People that you love, people that you care for. Don't let your friends sell support. Friends don't let friends sell support. And subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates, weekly live streams every weekday at Tuesday, 4 to 4:30 p.m., maybe sometimes 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.